up, bruh?
Alright, so today we're playing 2v2s. Let's go.
Run the
Make
two.
sure to like and subscribe and comment your username if you want to be in a video and added. Because this
Okay.
guy is so good. The one that just slid right now. The bacon hair. Let's go. Oh, I'm inviting you to the party. And this is going to be a long video, guys, so make sure to grab a drink and popcorn. Let's go. I invited you. Something.
While we wait, I'm just gonna spin around.
Yeah.
I know what he's gonna do.
I'm just going to do this.
Yeah. Okay, we got the matchmaking. See,
Alright,
let's
let's
go
go.
against pro. Dude, I might destroy my computer.
Uh-huh.
It's like I don't have a computer.
My mom has one, and she has two now, so she's giving me the other one so I can finally make a Roblox game. Arena. You know how come no, Arena. Okay, these seems like a little pro.
These guys seem like they're a pro, but
We got this. Let's go, guys.
yeah, let's go. I got
Give
my,
us luck by liking and subscribing.
this will extremely work.
Yeah, please, guys. No calasila. I don't even know if I said that right. Sorry if I didn't. Ceci?
He's not good at pronouncing Spanish.
Me? Yeah, no, you like speak a whole Spanish and say that I was jumping on a trampoline. Say I was jumping on a trampoline. Or say any sentence in Spanish, okay? Say a sentence in Spanish.
¿Qué tú comes? Yeah,
Get
¿qué
in.
tú comes? Just
What does that say?
what do you eat?
Okay. See, guys? I suck.
And I'm good.
Guys, he's my brother. No, I'm saying. This is my neighbor, guys. Okay?
I can really do that for her. I just
How are we leaking address? I'm not even saying the address.
because what if someone knows where you live? They don't know where I live.
Oh no.
And what if someone knows where I live? They don't know where you live.
No, no. Come on, Jaden, cook. Cook. Let's go. Come on. Hey, guy. Come on, you gotta cook. Let's go. Guys, he's cooking right now, bro.
Support me.
Guys, support him. Like and subscribe. Come on. I wish I had a real camera so I can live stream.
Let's go!
Let's go, my guy, bro.
And cut.
Dab me up, man. Nice. I said yice. You said nice. Oh, 115 him.
I'm trying to. Oh my god. Broski, you got this.
Where the heck did he go? Broski.
Broski, I'm gay.
Where is he?
Oh no, but I only know I'm gay. Broski, with a 360 Coco. Okay, hit it 360. No, scope.
Dang it.
Okay, don't hit it 360. No, scope. That's limited laser.
360 no scope.
Nah. You wasted all your own.
Dang, I have no ammo.
I think you should use the sight.
I have sniper only. Let's go.
Better come here.
And cut. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
I just realized that. Why am I saying
Wait, what? Wait, he's at 89. What am I at?
89?
What the heck? Wait. And then how's he gooder than me? Guys, like and subscribe for your support. You could really use it.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. I will save Abel. I told you I saved Abel. By headshotting that guy.
Oh, he's so low. He's low. No, he's not low. No, he's not low.
Guys, subscribe if you like paper airplanes.
Yeah, subscribe if you like paper airplanes, guys. Like and subscribe if you like paper airplanes.
What? Oh, dude. Yeah.
No, guys.
Yeah, that should not be the boxing gloves, right?
Yeah, bro, guys. Please help us. No Palasila. Wait, did we win that one?
No. You lost that one.
Bro, how were they both assisted?
It's because they both stuck on my subspace.
Bro, I literally flamethrowed them.
Dang it.
Dios mío. Mi amigo, yo. Killed him.
Yeah!
That's how we won.
Subscribe if you like paper airplanes anyways.
Yeah, what? Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go, guys. We won. Thank you for support. Now this is the end. Alright, bye, guys. Guys, bye. Peace.